Greetings, Mark Brown here. Welcome to Microsoft Access Database. So we're going to be looking at how we can actually do a few little things in Microsoft the Access Database. Yes, so far. So I'm going to bring you through it, right? First thing, we're going to be looking at how to create a blank database. Yes, it's very important. How we're going to do that? Copy and paste the database. Yes, very important. Cut and paste the database. We're also going to be looking at open and view template because there are different types of template. So we want to be looking at that. At the same time, we're going to create and name the database, right? So we're going to take the time going through this so far. So first thing that we want to do is to create a blank, right? So if you notice, this is set for the desktop. You notice right here, that's right here, my taskbar, but I can come right here and right click my desktop. You notice this is the small window that's come up. Go down to new. You notice right over here, this is it, my SAP Access Database. Right here, you want to access it again, you come right here in the search bar and click, right? So you can just type access right here. Notice when I type access, you notice this is what show up right here. Alright, so this is the second way, right? You notice I have it right down here in the taskbar, you just click, you notice, I get it just the same again. So it's very important. Right there, so we're going to be looking at the other step, what you can actually do, right? You notice in the steps, a copy and paste it, right? So that's exactly what we're going to do, copy and paste it. So this is the blank, so we're going to put the cursor on it. You're going to right click. Notice when you right click, you bring up this dialog box right here. You're going to look for the word copy. So this is service copy. You're going to click on it. So I want to put it right up here. I want to right click again. You notice this dialog box is much smaller. Alright, so this is the word piece. You're going to click on it. And there you go. Right, you put the cursor on it again. Right click. Now when you right click, you see this. Whether if you have a mouse or a touchpad, come all the way to copy. Right, you put it right here. Going to right click again and notice, look for the word piece. Alright, so now you have complete that particular one. The next one we're going to be looking at is how to cut and paste. Right, so we're going to cut and paste. So we're going to put the cursor on it. You're going to right click. Now when you right click, you're going to come here. This dialog box here, notice the word cut right here, click on your cut. Now I wanted to put it right here. I'm going to right click again and notice what we're doing is cut and paste. So this is selfie paste, you're going to click it and notice. Alright, so we're going to put the cursor right there, we're going to right click. If you notice, you come right down here to cut. You click on it and come right again, paste right there. So if you want to cut and paste both of these, you put the cursor right there. Along the left side of the mouse at touchpad, you're going to drag it to the right. You notice two of them highlight, which I black them. Put the cursor on one, you right click, just as here. You're going to go down to the record and click on it. And when you come right here, just right click again and then paste. You notice both of them, so jump up right there so far. The next thing we're going to be doing now, we're going to open and view template. So we're going to look at few of these templates right here, right? So we're going to open one, we can right click right here and click on open just the same. Otherwise, we can just click on it, highlight, and press enter. You notice it open just the same. Or otherwise, what you can do, you can double click like this on it. And notice it open just the same. Alright, so it's very important so far. Alright, so what we're gonna do is to view the template. Alright, so now open it like this now. So if you notice right here to the corner, home, new, open right here. So notice this is blank. These are some other templates right here. If you notice here, come right here, see more, which I can actually view more right template. Right, if you notice, let me come right to the side here. The scroll bar, I'm gonna scroll up. Right, if you notice right here, show database, you can get the business one. Right, log, industry list, personal, if you notice right here. These are some activity, access tracking. Right, let me go up somewhere that you can actually see what's going on there. Notice you can also keep student record right here. If you notice, event management just the same. task management, nutrition tracking, so you can literally use the database to do all of that for you, right? If you notice right here, all of these callers, tracker, customer service, right here, home inventory, yes, very important on it, right? So notice these are some different templates, personal account logger, you notice, all of that, personal contact manager, project management. So you have all of this in the database that you can actually look at, right? You notice real estate, right? There's a book tracking. So you have all of this thing in the database in which you can actually look at, right? So while you look at all of these stuff, right, I'm going to click on home event to make you look at it to see exactly how it look like. Right, if you notice, how it, right, how it look right over here, right? So definitely you can literally create it and see exactly what's going on with it so far, right? So let me go back a little with it. I'll go back to the next step so far. All right, nice. So go back to home. All right, so definitely there you go with it right there. So now we're going to be looking at the other step. So that we're going to create and name it, name the database. All right, so it's very important. We're going to create, we're going to name it. All right, if you notice right, you want a blank. So you're going to come right up here. And we're going to click on the blank right up here. Now when you click on the blank right here, this is what come up. Right, you want to save it directly on the desktop. Right here, you can actually give it a name. Here I can put it as class. I can click right here on the folder. Now if I click right here on the folder, notice the class. I can select where I want it, whether it is on the desktop or not. Right, click on OK. Now here we go. Click on right create. Notice you click on right create. This is where we end up right here. Right, so let's see it on the desktop now. Now when you click on the desktop, this is it right here. Alright, so we're gonna finish putting the rest of element. But if you notice this section block, you have nowhere to put like new data, what would you do? Alright, if you notice, you come to the top, this is the word create. Now when you click on word create, you notice the drop down box come down so far. Alright, it's a table design and table. When you click on table design, this is what come up. So show you the name right here. So I'm going to put the name right here. You notice, I'm gonna put the name. You're gonna see what I'm gonna do it. Alright, so over here, so you click, you notice, if you're short text, but you come right at it, look small right here. You can put long text, you can use number, right? You can use large number, you can put time and date, just the same. If you notice time extended, you can also use currency if you're gonna check. You can use auto number, which mean if you forgot to put a number, automatically it actually put in. Yes, no object, you can put in hyperlink, it can actually calculate, right? So I'm gonna leave it right there. A chat text. Notice that chat text, when you come right down here, so now you notice the fee size, you can actually change it right there by moving it to 25. You can put leave or 15, depending on the length of the name. Right, so you're going to come back down here, so you're going to put another name. Right, you're going to put the other name just the same. You're going to click over here, so do the same thing. You're going to adjust the field down here, so that's the same. And put 15, just the same. Now you're finished that particular thing. Now what you want to do, you can also add a primary key to it or whatever. Right, but before, ID, right, should I put up top? Let me move this and put the ID instead. And then put the next one downstairs. ID. So up here, I can actually move it right here, and I can put number. If I want, but keep it right there. Right, I put back the name below. Right here. Get back that field. You wanna change the field. I know it has this now. Click up here now. We're gonna put in the key. Right? Notice table design right here. You click it. You put in the primary school key. Even for this primary key, that's if you're going to link it to other table and all that. So I'm going to click on that. All right, you notice the key already add so far. Very, very important. So I wanted to save it. I can actually click right here. When I click right here, notice it's a table right here. I want to give it a name. Right, I can give it a name like student. Right, and then I click right here. Notice when I click right here, show up right over here. Right, I'm gonna close this section over here and close it. Notice right here, but this on the left side, this is where the student is. If I come and I double click, you notice it actually show up right here. Just show that I can put in ID, put in the name right here, just the same. Very important right here. Now that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.